Fresh highs for D Street as the Nifty shut sharp above the 9600 mark for the first time ever. FMCG stocks stole the show, single-handedly propelling markets to that crucial mark. The Sensex too recovered quite smartly to end high by 81 points, but it was a lot of selling pressure coming in for the broader end of the market. Just pull up those indices for you because there was severe underperformance for the mid and the small cap indices. Selling was evident in real estate, pharmaceuticals and banking. Aisha Faridi here to wrap up the markets. And Aisha, we managed to hold on to 9600, but a very different story for the broader end of the market today.
The broader market correction actually continued. So like you rightly said, while the Nifty skirted and held on to that 9600 mark, of course tested that level time and again, dipped below that, but managed to cling on eventually thanks to the support really coming in from names like HDFC, ITC, Maruti and Reliance Industries, which provided that cushion to the index. On the flip side, of course, the day began with losses on Sun Pharma and Tech Mahindra reacting to their numbers. Or for that matter, Aurobindo Pharma, wherein the numbers came in only post-market hours. But the street, in anticipation of weak numbers, actually, shorted the stock, and that stock was a loser. So was Adani Ports. Banks were a key eyesore in today's trading session. So BOB, Yes Bank, ICICI Bank, SBI, Axis, they were all under pressure today. And yes, when one talks about the broader markets, even though they managed to recover from the lows of the day, at one point in time, the mid-cap index was down nearly about 2%, 1.8% was the cut. So while it closed in with losses of just about 1%, it's an extremely bad breath that we closed the day with. It's the ADA group of stocks and the other high beta names. So the entire real estate pack that was down. You also had RCom, which sank about almost 13%. Reliance Infra, Reliance Capital, they were all losers. And from within the Nifty as well, like I said, there were a whole host of other earnings reactions, which as well did not go down all that well with the street.